This video is for question number 1 on the problem solving with rational numbers. If you are watching this video, that means that you did not solve this question correctly. So we're going to solve together. We are using our UPS check. So our U, we're going to cube. You should have learned this last year. We're going to circle our numbers. We're going to underline the question. We're going to box important information, and we're going to eliminate anything we don't need. So let's take a look at the problem. It says that Mr. Matthews is saving for a new laptop that costs $806.40. He saves the same amount each week for 9 weeks. How much should Mr. Matthews save each week in order to buy the laptop? Okay, so we want to circle our numbers. I have $806.40. I have 9 weeks. Those are the only two numbers that I have. The next thing is to underline the question. How much should Mr. Matthews save each week in order to buy the laptop is my question. I want to box important information. Okay, he's saving for a laptop that costs, so we know that's my total. He wants to save the same amount each week. Oops, I should have picked up week, each week. And then I have each in the question. So that's my important information that I want to box. Next is to eliminate. I need both of my numbers, so I'm not going to be eliminating anything on this problem. Okay, so since there is each in the question, I know that I need to divide. And so my plan is going to divide to solve. Okay, this box down here is your solve box, but there's not a lot of room here, so if you want to solve up here, that would be just fine. $806.40 is the total for the laptop, and I'm going to divide it by 9. There is a whole number in my in my divisor, and so I'm going to just put my decimal into the quotient, exactly where it is. 9 does not go into 8. 9 will go into 80 8 times. 8 times 9 is 72. When I subtract 72 from 80, I'm going to get 8. I can't take 2 from 0, so I'm going to make that a 10, and I'm going to regroup this 8 to a 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. I'm going to bring down my 6. Now I have 86. 9 goes into 86. How close can I get to 86 without going over? That's 9 times. 9 times 9 is 81. When I subtract, I get 5. Next, I'm going to bring down my 4. 9 goes into 54 6 times. 9 times 6 is 54. When I subtract, I get 0. I'm going to go ahead and bring down this other 0 because we are talking about money, and that puts the 0 in the quotient. And so Mr. Matthews needs to save $89.60 each week for 8 weeks. For 9 weeks. Okay, so I could check my answer by taking the $89.60 and multiplying it by 9 to see if I get the total cost of the laptop. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 6 is 54. I'm going to put my 4 down and carry my 5. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 5 is 86. I'm going to put my 6 down and carry my 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 8 is 80. I have 2 decimals places in my $89.60. So that means that I need to move my decimal 2 places to the left. And so you're going to see that my check is good. So the answer to this is $89.60. Here's my griddable. There's my decimal. So I know that 89 goes here. Those are my whole dollars, and 60 cents goes to the right of the decimal. Those are my cents. And so then you would just make sure that you bubble correctly. Okay, so that concludes how to solve problem 1. If you go to the back side of your worksheet, you're going to see that you have another problem that you can try that looks just like this. Good luck. Thank you.